अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुन मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुन मजीद औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Today we will discuss on the spiritual problems of astral travelers or who chants the name of God in different religions, and they are walking on the way on the path of spirituality. Either they are Muslims, either they are Christians or Judaism or Hindus. No, if you are thinking, you are feeling puzzles in your spirituality, this video will guide you and solve your problems. According to the Islamic or spiritual ways, there are the lesson of heart. If anyone who opens the door of spirituality from heart, he meditate heart by heart name of God. First of all, you think you are the first man, that you have a step forward to a path of purification. There are four things of your desires: sex, health, wealth, palaces, kingdoms, worldwide wishes. These are your wishes. These are the nafs are evil demands, and these wishes will arise when you are doing zikr or chanting the name of God. You are meditating and you are doing the zikr qalb or the heart. This is the first lesson. And when you see the Prophet Adam alayhi salam, you are now successful, and then you will go to the second lesson that belongs to the Prophet Nuh alayhi salam and Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Now what he will feel if anyone who is doing the meditation of spirit, his spirit will do astral travel. You know, there is a spirit or a soul in every person. Either he is a Muslim, either he is a non-Muslim, he is a Judaism, he is a Jew, he is a Christian, he is a Hindu, he is a Muslim, he is a Buddha, he has a soul. And when you will go to astral travel, sometimes you will see, suppose you are a Muslim, you will see that you are in a Christian church. You are saying that you are in a Judaism temple, you are in a Buddhism temple, you are in a Hinduism temple, no problem, because it is the key of success. And every human has a soul, and the peoples who are doing the soul knowledges, who are practicing the meditation of spirit or soul, they are also awakening their soul. Now your soul is communicating the solar personalities. Either they are Hindus, Judaisms, Christians, or Muslims or Buddhisms, and whatever they, I don't know the names of the religions of the world. Why they are getting the power? Because they are they are remembering, they are chanting the name of God in their languages. And you also are on a good path, because you are chanting the name of God by your breath, by your sigh, in a meditation system. Sometimes you will see that you are helping the unknown persons in the sea water, in the rocky areas, in the land areas, in the cities, in the villages. You don't know them, but you are helping. It is why, because God has chosen you for a spiritual man, for a spirituality. You are going on a spiritual way. Now you are absorbing the power of name of God, and you are able to help the humanity. You are beneficial for universe. So you are now able to help the others. Suppose anyone in the corner of the world, I don't know that where they are affected by black magic, but they are praying that, oh God, save us from the evilness of black magic. Where we go, we have no way. Oh God, save us. Then God accepted their praise, and God sent the soul of such a person who is from, either I am from Sindh, who is from Indus Valley. Sindh is Indus Valley. I can go, and from an area of other areas. You don't know them. Neither a person who helps knows, neither peoples that are helped from that person. That is why, that is the blessing of God's name, power of God's name. They destruct the holy solely evilness of a badness of black magic. And in accidents, in our other affairs, God helps the human beings by the sources of their sources, that is the spiritual main spiritual personalities. So I hope you will understand my my video. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.